What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shello, and today I'm going to show you how to make Wally. Happy Earth Day! Use a yellow construction paper and cut out a square or rectangle for his head. Step 2 is you glue Wally's head to the black construction paper. Get the yellow construction paper rectangle and glue it on for Wally's body. The next step is to cut out 2 circles that are large but small enough to fit on Wally's head. And then you take the rest of the paper and you cut out a small square. Now all you have to do is glue the 3 pieces, putting the small square on top of the 2 large circles. Now take a blue construction paper and cut out 2 blue circles, smaller than the purple ones. Now glue on the blue circles. Next step is to cut out a small orange strip for Wally's neck. And then you glue it on. The next step is to cut out a rhombus for one of Wally's buttons. Then all you have to do is glue it on wherever you want. The next step is cutting out a small green circle for one of Wally's buttons. I'm pretty sure you know what to do next. Glue it on. Alright, next step is you're going to fold it into 4s, and then you're going to cut a strip and then cut that strip into 4s, and then if you want a 3rd layer, you can just cut off another strip from the paper to make another 2, and then you glue those on. So you take an orange construction paper for this last step, cut off a good chunk of it, and then cut it off into 4s. And once you've done that, you can add it as the arms and glue it on however you want. Alright guys, here you go. This is how you make Wally, and it's optional to add the Earth for Earth Week, and happy Earth Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.